Hello and welcome to this presentation looking at the GCSE course in Computer Science and the BTEC Level 2 course in ICT. In this presentation I will talk about why it's good to study these courses, what you will study and how you will be assessed. So firstly, why study GCSE Computer Science? This course gives you an excellent opportunity to investigate how computers work, how they're used to develop your computer programming and problem solving skills. You'll have the opportunity to do some fascinating in-depth research and practical work. The course was developed with the likes of Google, Microsoft and Cisco to make sure it's engaging and contemporary. There is a focus on cybersecurity and hacking. It encourages mental versatility. Employers rate problem solving as one of the top skills they look for in candidates. It also provides the opportunity to be creative. You could be developing the next big game, top app or social network. Demand for computing skills is increasing. There are skill gaps in many areas of computing, and this is forecast to increase even more. So what will you study? Essentially, within the course, there are three elements. Computer systems looks at everything from systems architecture, hardware, networks, to the moral, social, legal, and ethical concerns of computer systems. Then there is a computational thinking, algorithms and programming module where you'll develop your understanding of algorithms, programming and problem solving. And finally, there is a programming project where you can actually have the opportunity to be creative and develop your own solution to a problem. Resources, lots of resources are available, whether it's software-based IDEs for programming such as JavaScript or C#, to more hands-on practical components such as the Raspberry Pi to do some physical computing. One of the aspects of this course is software development, and you have to be prepared to develop your coding skills and the challenge that that involves. And that means that at times things will not work straight away, but it's how you approach that. Do you look for other solutions? Do you try and solve that problem? Do you research? And do you try and actually find a solution to a problem? And if you've got that approach, then this course will be good for you. Trips, in the past we've done lots of trips such as Bletchley Park, San Francisco, the University of Southampton and IBM, and many more are planned. You'll be assessed essentially through two exams at the end of year 11, 50% each. The first one on computer systems and the second one on algorithms and programming. Okay, so why study the BTEC ICT course? This provides you with the opportunity to develop a range of skills and techniques which are essential for successful performance in the digital industry and working life. You will learn about the online world, and the majority of the final grade is determined by practical units such as digital video spreadsheets and web design that are ongoing throughout the course. So therefore it's a great choice for students who prefer coursework as a mode of assessment. So what will you study? The first module is called the Online World. This is externally assessed at the end of year 11, and it covers all sorts of hardware and software topics. The rest of the units are practical, internally assessed units that are ongoing throughout the course. Firstly, digital video, the opportunity to create your own design and create your own digital video product. Spreadsheet development, where you'll learn about spreadsheet modeling. And finally, a web design project where you'll build a digital portfolio to showcase the work that you've produced throughout the course. The BTEC ICT course is made up of 4 units each, as we said, 25% each. One is externally assessed, the other 3 are internal, ongoing projects. The final grades are slightly different. You get distinction, merit, pass for this course. And here we can see the grade equivalent that they map to for the GCSE.